الله وكفى والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي زدني علما ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. So we are starting today our today's lesson. First, just to recap in first couple of minutes, the previous we started and where we have reached now. So we have to just review the previous and then we have to build it up. Uh, we have started with the detached pronouns. They were six and they were very important. That is huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. Huwa, he, hum, they, anta, you, antum, you all, ana, I, nahnu, we. These are the detached pronouns. And then we say that attached pronoun, same detached pronoun will convert into attached pronouns. So how they will be, huwa will become who, and sometime he, hum or him, anta, ka, antum, kum, ana is ye, and nahnu is na. We took any example like qawm, so it will be qawmuhu, qawmuhum, qawmuka, qawmukum, qawmi, qawmuna. Any example you can take from here and just attach with this. And this is a practice we have to do in every class. Before that, in just it will not take more than 5 to 10, it will not take more than 10 minutes if we just do these practice, and this is very important. And then the most commonly used words we have taken, these are very important. Just if we take any word, first we have to know the meanings of these words. This is very important vocabulary. This is used a lot. So li, for, min, from, and so on. So if I take anyone randomly from here, ala, first thing is we have to translate it. We have to remember the meaning of these huruf jar. And not these are haruf, actually we would say these roof most commonly used, some are haruf jar. So let's take, if I take min is from, so min will be attached, it will be min who, min hum, min ka, min kum, minni, minna. And once with translation, min is from, then min who will be from him, min hum from them, minka from you, minkum from you all, minni from me, minna from us. You just took one word, min, you know the meaning, that is from, and they will come in your fingertips when you will do practice again and again. So then you have to attach min with attached pronoun and you will produce six more words. And then who is him, from him, minhum from them, minka from you, minkum from you all, minni from me, minna from us. So this is the second practice we should do, that we take one by one word and just attach with this, with the attached pronoun, and we will produce six words and just try to translate it. And it will also increase our vocabulary and these, and it will help us in making translation when we will start taking the ayah from the Quran, and it will help us there. And this is the very important slide. We are just, I combine it together, but we did it in separate lectures. So next, after doing these things, we just started with the verb. And as we discussed that the verb is the complete table we have practiced. One is madi, mudare, amr, nahi, and then we did fa'il and maf'ul. We just have one starting word fa'ala. Let's say fa'ala and just complete table. Order will be same. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'aluna. Af'alu, naf'alu. If'al, la taf'al. If'alu, la taf'alu. And then fa'il, we did fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin, and fail. So madi, mudare, amr, nahi, and then we did isme fa'il, isme maf'ul, and then isme masdar. By doing this table, one important thing that is the TPI, that is, TPI is very important, that we have to use our right hand. Let me demonstrate in the TPI. If everyone can see me, my hand.
Yes, we can see your.
Okay. So right hand, the single, the one finger, this index finger, this will show for singular, and this for the plural. First, let's take the Madi. Fa'al. Last time we did the table, but we did not practice on the TPI. This is very important that we have to do the TPI. It will help us to understand the meaning actually. There will be no need after doing this to memorize the translation. So this is Fa'ala, Fa'alu, Fa'alta, Fa'altum, Fa'altu, Fa'alna. Now, then Mudare, Yaf'alu, again same thing. He does or he will do. Yaf'aluna. Then Taf'alu, second person. Taf'alu, Taf'aluna. Then Af'alu, it should come back, it should point towards myself. Af'alu. Then Naf'alu. Then Amr. Amr mean order. How you do order? If'al. This single finger, and then just you are ordering it. If'al. You must do it. If'al. Do. La taf'al. See here, just you are just doing this is again. If'al. La taf'al. This is negative imperative. If'al. La taf'al. Now let's go to the plural. That is, if'al plural is if'alu. If'alu لا تفعلوا. Again, افعل لا تفعل. افعلوا لا تفعلوا. When I say افعلوا, four fingers, this means it's a plural. افعلوا لا تفعلوا. So this is Madi, Mudare, and If'al, La Taf'al. If'alu, La Taf'alu. Next thing is Fa'il. How we can do the TPI for Fa'il? One thing is Fa'il, one is Maf'ul. Fa'il means the one who does. It is the doer. Maf'ul, the thing which you are doing, that the one upon it is done. We use this TPI. This is total physical interaction. If you take this one, this is fa'il, hitter. This is fa'il, and the thing which you will do, this fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Again, you will do like this. You will use your left hand. This is fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Then what is, if it is fa'il, what is maf'ul? This is maf'ul. Maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin. Again, fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin. And then fi'l, masdar. Just we say this because this is masdar, mean the central word. All these words we have generated is from the central word. This is the masdar, verbal noun, fi'l, to do, fi'l, to do. So this is very again fa'ala, we madi and mudare from amr. If'al la taf'al. If'alu la taf'alu. Fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin, fi'l. So one, I would ask my daughter that she will demonstrate here this TPI, and then everybody can practice. Come here. Shifa.
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا يفعل يفعلون تفعل تفعلون أفعل نفعل افعل لا تفعل افعلوا لا تفعلوا فاعل فاعلون فاعلين مفعول مفعولون مفعولين فعل.
So this is the TPI. This is very important that we have to TPI, total physical interaction. So fa'al madi, then mudare, amr, nahi, fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. And this table which you see here, this should be in like this order: fa'ala, Madi, Mudare, Amr, Nahi, Fa'il, Maf'ul, and Mastar. But doing two, three, four times practice, this will be in your mind every time. This is basically a blueprint, a template when you will fit any word like three letters word here, like all this Fa'ala. We did many practice. We'll do for more cases when we will go to the next level from next week, from tomorrow, inshallah. You will see some more example. They are so first thing is very important because we are going to start from level 1, level 2, level 3, but whole all they are mostly based on this table. So every participant, if you want to make your interest live, if you want interest should be active, this table is very important with TPI and with translation fa'ala. So I would just request all the demonstrators today and their moderators that they should practice with TPI this, and very important to understand this. Why? What is the purpose of this table? Why we are doing this practice? If you just see these three examples, let's say we are not going for the translation or something like that. We have taken these examples from Quran, just small. We just break some ayah just uh, for easiness. We just put it here. These are the small examples like here if you see كيف فعل ربك ما فعلتم بيوسف إن الله يفعل ما يشاء. Just look at the highlighted words here in this ayah فعل فعلتم يفعل and many other ayah. Just we took just three small ayah and you see here it means that one word this fa'ala, it can come, it have different form. And in Quran we are actually, this is the class to tools to understand Quran. So one word is coming in different form, so we must know that what when this form is changing, so someone should come and he should tell us that what is the meaning of this is fa'ala. Same fa'ala become fa'altum, same fa'ala become yaf'alu, sometime it will be yaf'alu, af'alu, maf'ul, fa'il. So this is very important that, for example, when it comes kaifa fa'ala rabbuka. So if I take one volunteer from there, Ayan. Ayan, can you please unmute your mic? uh, Time is short actually.
It's better to ask senior students, maybe.
Yeah. Okay, brother Ijaz. Brother Ijaz, can you please teach us that this fa'ala is coming here, where we will fit this in the table? First thing, we have to see that is it mad. When we have to look for the table, we have to see is it madi or mudare, amr, nahi, fa'il or maf'ul. If you look at here fa'ala, so it will come where? Is it madi or mudare?
It's Mazi, and it will be the first word.
So this is the
Fa'ala.
how the brother Ijaz replied. This is the response of every participant when they will be expert here. That fa'ala, where this fa'ala comes from. Fa'ala is madi, mudare, amrni. So its shape is exactly here. Fa'ala. So first we do it fa'ala, and then other thing we just I will come for the translation here. Now, Sam Ijaz bhai, if I say fa'altum, this is
Fa-
fa'altum. Where I can put this fa'altum?
Fa'altum is Mazi, and it will be the fourth word in the column. Fa'altum, you
If it's
all, yeah, you all
you
did.
are, if so, what will be the meaning of altum?
You all did.
You all did. Thank you, Ijaz bhai. Now I would just go randomly. Azhar bhai. If Azhar bhai is not there, I can go to Jafar Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Jaf. Can you please just locate this yaf'alu in the table?
It's in Mudare. First,
Mudare. This complete is mudare. Where is mudare?
it's Yaf'alu is the first one.
First yaf'alu. Can you please start with what is the starting for word for the yaf'alu?
Fa'ala.
Fa'ala. Can you please start with fa'ala and reach at yaf'alu
Okay.
with translation?
Okay. Fa'ala.
He did. He did.
He did.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. And yaf'alu is
Yaf'alu meaning
he does.
he does or
He will do.
he will do. So yaf'alu means he does or he will do. Can you please also fa'altum? What is the starting word for fa'altum?
Fa'ala.
Fa'ala. Okay, so can you please start with fa'ala and reach at fa'altum?
Okay. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you did. No,
You
fa'altum,
all did. So this we are there. Fa'altum is this. And what is the meaning of fa'ala?
he did.
He did. Okay, let us try. Jafar, please stay there. Just if I just look at this one ayah, only one word I think we did not cover, that is kaifa. This is vocabulary word. Once we have to we see it, we remember kaifa mean how. Kaifa mean kaifal hal. Kaifa how. So this is how. Jafar, can you please start the translation? Kaifa means
Kaif, how
fa'ala.
he did.
Now come to the rabbuka. Do you remember that we did this rabbuka?
Yeah, your Lord.
Your Lord. How you can do the complete TPI for the rabbuka?
Uh,
Rabbuhu.
Rabbuhu, Rab,
Um,
Rabbuhum,
Rabbuka.
Rabbuka, Rabbukum.
Again, Ya Jafar, can you please say loudly, please?
Okay. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum, Rabbuka, Rabbukum,
So this is rabbuka. Rabbuka means
your Lord.
your Lord. Now you just follow the pointer and translate it. And then we just want to show that how it become easy to translate by doing this. Just no Arabic. Just you have to translate the word under the pointer.
Okay. How he did, your Lord.
Your Lord. Okay, so again,
How he did, your Lord.
your Lord. So if we combine the translation, we can rearrange it. How your Lord did. Is
How,
it?
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now I would go to Brother Javed Rasul to just teach us this ayah for the audience.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Javed bhai.
Ma fa'altum bi Yusufa.
So what
Ma
first is fa'altum, please, just for.
fa'altum is the in the Madi column, the fourth word.
Oh, can we, how we start? Starting word is?
Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum.
This is fa'altum. So this
Fa'altum.
fa'altum is located here.
Yes.
Just with translation.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did.
So this word we know that fa'altum you all did. If we just say be,
Be with.
be is with. So this is we know that be we did this in most commonly used word be. Can you please just do the TPI for be complete table? Be he,
Oh, bihi, bihim, bika, bikum,
be
be ye, bina.
be just be
Oh, be. Okay, be, bina.
bina with translation. Be
Bihu,
be he.
bihi with him, bihim with them, bika with you, bikum with you all, be with me, bina with us.
Bina with us. If Yusuf is name, so be Yusufa
With Yusuf?
with Yusuf. This is Yusuf alayhi salam. This
Yes.
just we just extract this ayah from there to make it simple with Yusuf. Okay, now one thing is left, that is ma. Like here, kaifa, meaning just for audience, kaifa mean how. So we have to just remember this as our teacher Dr. Abdul Khalik suggested many times that we should have the pen and copy notebook there, so we should write something. If there is something new, we just note it down, so it will really help us. Allama bil qalam. So this is where, so similarly here ma, this ma meaning is
What?
here what. Okay, okay, go ahead with pointer
Ma,
translation.
what? Faltum, you all did. Be with Yusuf, Yusuf.
Okay, again with the just translation, the pointing word only.
What? you all did with Yusuf.
Okay, now combine the translation
What you all did with Yusuf.
with Yusuf. So just for those all the participants, those we are here with our new session, that after doing these tables, just we did even we recap all the tables today. Just doing little bit practice, it will become very easy for us to translate the ayah and understand these meaning. So next, thank you very much, Javed bhai. Very nice explanation. So
So this is Faltum is you all, right? So what you all did with Yusuf. That's
yeah,
what.
for that, yes, you're right, brother. So for this, just we have to just little bit we have to rethink fa'altum. Oh yes, we did the table. What is the starting word? That is fa'ala. So we start with same thing. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum. So this is fa'ala, he did, fa'alu, they did, fa'alta, you did, fa'altum, you all did. So it's mean fa'altum, you all did. Similarly here, fa'ala, he did. So this is for first person, this is for second person mazi, this is for this is third person, this is second person, and this is for first person singular and plural. Similarly in madi. Now inna allaha yaf'alu ma yasha'u. So brother Arshad is there.
Assalamu barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam, Arshad bhai. Can you please take this ayah and teach us, please?
Inna, indeed, Allah, yaf'alu. Yaf'alu is the mudari word and the first word in the table.
First word in the table, yaf'alu.
Yeah.
Meaning will be?
Meaning will be he does or he will do.
Okay,
Either of those.
just for a question for audience, just you, can you please tell me when we say yafalu, you said it's madari. What is the starting word for the yafalu?
Is fa'ala.
Can
He
you
did.
please start with fa'ala and reach at yafalu with translation?
Okay, fa'ala he did. Fa'alu they did. Fa'alta you did. Fa'altum you all did. Fa'altu I did. Fa'alna we did. Yaf'alu he does or he will do.
Okay, yafalu, he does or he will do. Other meaning, Allah means
Allah.
inna.
Indeed.
Indeed. This we already mentioned in the most commonly used word. That table is very important that we have to see. So we already know that this one, this one, this. For ma, we just go here ma. This ma already we use here right just before in previous. So ma, what was the meaning of ma here?
What?
What? This is what?
What? Yeah.
Next is Yashau. No need to worry about that for all. Yashau, just because we are not at that level, just we have to recognize. We can at least put it in the table. It start with Ya. Which word is starting with Ya?
It's the same mudare.
Mudare. So
Mudare.
this will be the first.
Yes.
And for the second, Yasha will be?
Yasha'una.
If I just, how it become? If just Mudare, if you say this is Yashau, this will become Arshad bhai?
Yasha'una.
This is?
Tasha'u.
Tashau, starting with ta, and then
Tasha'una.
tasha, starting with ta and then una, and then
Asha'u.
ashau. This is
Nasha'u.
so we should not be worried. Our purpose was that how we have to locate these. This one word is coming in different form in Quran, so we should be able. This is the objective, that we have to locate the word in the table, and we just with the help of TPI we have to try to translate it. So okay, yafalu, he does. Okay, complete the ayah please.
Indeed, Allah does what he wills.
What he wills. Yes, thank you very much, Arshad.
Exactly.
So I think, Dr. Sab, if the all can take the screenshot of this ayah are already there, but we just put it there just for the practice session. If everybody, those all
I think
trainers,
this is also in the handouts, so okay, maybe the translation, the ayats are not there. Okay.
Yeah, just for today's practice, if we can take the screenshot and share with the groups, or I can just make.
Yeah, you can do that maybe.
Okay, I will share on the chat.
Yeah.